So that's there. Now these two objects we were dealing with, and we have already connected both of them. We have related them with this relationship field. Okay, but this is a one-to-many relationship, means many projects can be connected to one client record, but many clients cannot be connected to a project record, right? The third object that we have here is consultant. Now the thing that I want you to understand here is that what sort of a relationship should be there between a consultant and projects. Okay, let's say consultant ID, first name, last name, email, okay, and let's say phone number. So let us think that we have one more object called consultant, right? Now the company wants to track which consultant is working on which project. That is what they want to understand. So these two tables need to be related, consultant and project. Which consultant is working for which project? That is what the company wants to understand, or they want to track in the Salesforce application. Now what sort of a relationship should be there? What sort of a relationship should be there? A one-to-many or how? In case you feel a one-to-many relationship should be there, which one should be a parent, which one need to be a child? If there is a relationship between project and consultant, which one would be a parent and which one would be a child? Fine. Right. So some of you said that project should be parent, some say consultant. That's fine. No worries. So let us understand this. Parent and child, how will we decide on that? We decide that, okay, which part of the relationship has one record being connected to multiple records on the other side, right? Here one project can be, let us understand, on one project there can be multiple consultants. Okay, let's say I have 5 consultants and I have 10 projects. So on each of the project there can be more than one consultants involved, and on each for each of the consultant he can be involved in multiple projects, right? So this is not a one-to-many relationship, this is a many-to-many relationship. This is called a many-to-many relationship. Okay, so this is not a straight parent-child relationship. All right. So for this many-to-many relationship, what we'll have to do? How do we establish a many-to-many relationship? So using the relationship field that we did yesterday, we can only establish a one-to-many relationship. The relationship field concept that we were talking about yesterday, that can only set up a one-to-many relationship. So you identify which is the parent and you identify which is the child, and then you go to the child object and create a relationship field. That is what we did, right? Creating a many-to-many relationship, what you need to do? You just need to create a junction object. So the junction object will have an ID, it will have a project field, and it will have a consultant field. So this is also a relationship field, and this is also a relationship field. So in a way, what we are doing, we are making this junction object as the child of project as well as consultant. So through this, the project and consultant are also being connected. Got it? Simple. So let's go back here. We already have a consultant object here. So let me bring that on this app. There's an object called consultant. How do I bring it on the app? I can just see client and projects. What I need to do, I simply need to go to the app, click on the app, click on edit, and bring that tab here. So right now only home, clients and projects are available here. Let me bring the consultant tab also here. Here it is. Fine. So we have clients, projects, consultants, all the tabs available here. Now what I'm going to do, I need to create a many-to-many relationship between projects and consultants. So for that, I'm going to create one more object, which will be a junction object, and it's pretty simple. This object will just have ID field. You put it. It just needs to have these two fields: one relationship field with project, one relationship field with consultant. That's it. Okay. This time let's use an auto number here. So instead of name, we will use an auto number. So usually when you put a name there, you use a text field, data type equals text. Here we are going to use an auto number. So there are only two options for this name field, text and auto number. In case you make it an auto number, then this will be a system generated auto number, which will keep on increasing +1 +1 every time you add a record. So the format of this auto number is, let's say I want to make it this way. So this is the static part of the auto number. So auto number can be a mix of alphanumeric. So this is the static part of it, and this will be the number part of it. Whatever you put within curly braces, so this will keep on increasing. Start number 1. So the first record that you create will become assignment 001. The second will become assignment 002. That is. Right. So let me give. So whenever you want to put an ID, you should use auto number. It will automatically generate the ID for the new records. Fine. So my object is ready. What I need here, I just need to create those two relationship fields. Create a master detail. Firstly with project and then with consultant. So we have created one relationship with project. Now we're going to create one more